Was woo? What's good, Facebook? What's good? What's happening with y'all, man? What's happening? My fitted cap on today, man. So y'all know I'm here for business. You know what I'm talking about? Was woo? Social media was woo? It's your boy, Mr. Bossed Up, back in the building with another one. So right now I'm home. So I took it upon myself to, I got to make some calls. So after this live video, I got to take care of some calls for my company. However, guys, man, I'm just going to do y'all a favor, right? And I'm going to say this only one time. I don't think I'm going to say it no more. Because at the end of the day, it's about me. But I'm not shysty. It's people that want to make money. And kind of would be better for me to trade with people. You know what I'm saying? Have my own little squadrons. You know what I'm saying? My own little, because this is bossed up. Feel me? This is bossed up. And we bossed up to live a good life. You feel me? Everybody want to live a good life. That's a fact. So, being that I'm doing well in Forex trading, I'm not the man yet, but I feel like I'm going to be. I had a trading group before. I was teaching harmonics before. I'm very good at harmonics. So I'm basically allowing people to have the ability to come inside my group and come to class and come learn. Feel me? I'm not charging you. You ain't gotta do none of that. Just come and come learn. Come ask questions. Come set up some charts, or I get you to the point where you can set up your own charts and make some money. It's a lot of people that want to make money. So if you want to make money and you think that Forex is for you and you can do this, then give me a holler. I'm not pressing. I'm not, it'll just be cool to have a whole bunch of people that I rock with. That's trading. Feel me? I got some people in my group now. Some of them at work or whatever. We're gonna see how this plays out. But I'm serious about it. If you in that group, you gotta come to class. Period. You gotta come to class. I'm not trying to hear the excuses. The excuses you can keep for your mama and your daddy and your kids. Feel me? I don't want none of them. Either you're gonna come or you're not. If you cannot make it at a particular time, particular day, then let me know. You got a mouth. Let me know. Yo, I'm gonna be at work at that time. I'm gonna be just getting in at that time. I'm gonna be hungry at that time, whatever it is. Just let me know. And I'll try to work around it and make a decent schedule for everybody to agree on. Because that's important to me, because my time is very valuable. I don't have no much time. I work during the day. I sell sneakers. I gotta be a marketer. I market on Facebook and all that, social media, Instagram and all that. Okay. 3 websites I'm building up right now. Okay. Plus, I'm trying to do this. Plus, I have my cable business. Plus, I have a reseller business. Listen, my time is valuable. So this is why I'm not playing. I'm not about to be sitting here throwing Zooms and then I'll be the only person in the Zoom with like one person or something like that. That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what I mean? When something like this can pay you out. Like, I made money this morning already. It's not even, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on. I'm getting better. I got better. A lot of you guys know me. Y'all been watching me. Y'all see me when I ain't know shit about Forex. So y'all should know it ain't no scam. The ones who know me from the marketing era, y'all remember when I used to come on and show the charts and trade 10 cents, don't make no money, lose my little $2, $5 at a time. And then what? Years later, I'm so confident you can't stop me. I'm so confident you can't stop me. So now I'm willing to just give it to somebody else at the same time while I'm building. I'll bring you with me. That's the key. That's the goal. Because I got plans for us later. That's a fact. You think I'm just gonna be doing this and then I don't have nothing to back it up later on? I do. I'm not liable to tell you shit, but this is only for the strong. For only the ones that's strong, you're gonna rock with me. You're gonna break bread with me. That's for sure. And I'm not even talking about just trading. Like, I got plans. So I'm just looking for my partners that I can trade with and be like, yo, yeah, I caught 2,000 pips. Yes, oh yeah. And boo bop bip. It's something else that I want to do with that person. I can't do everything by myself. So, like I said, but look, I like making money, and I'm going to continue making money, and nobody going to stop me. Now it's over. You know what I mean? Let's get into the charts. I'm be facing that way because my screen is that way, all right? I mean, I could put it right here in the middle. All right, so let me show you guys, man. I was in US 30 today. And I got in this. I got in right here on this candle. It's a 5-minute time frame. Let's go to the daily so you can see the direction of where the market is going. Okay. And you can see how I got into this trade. Okay. So as I notice that the market is literally giving me a whole lot of clues to what it's doing. Okay. So now if you notice, we got a nice little uptrend right here. We got a nice little uptrend. This is my low. Okay. This is my low. This is my daily low. All right. And as it went up, okay, we have a break right here. Here go the large candle. Boom. It's a large candle right there. It broke. Right. What did it do? It came back and it broke below this green candle. I'm sorry. And what it do? It retest. That's what this one was. And this was the entry for anybody who was trying to trade US 30 a few days ago. That was the entry. Okay. So now let's drop down to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 4. And you can see this happen. Okay. So this was it right here. This was the trade. Test, sell. Trust me. If you go down on the smaller time frame, you will see all of this happening. And I'm going to show you right now, being that I got a little bit of time. All right. I got to make some calls, though, before I get in trouble. All right. So now we're going to drop down to like the 15-minute, right? Those are entry, right? Now, look what happens. I'm going to show you guys, man. I'm going to show you how you could have gotten that trade. Look, check this out. Over here was my high. Okay. It's my low high. Equal highs. Okay. Low. Right? Look, check this out. Change in direction. Okay. Change in direction. Here goes my retest. That's my retest. Boom. All right. That's my retest. However, well, actually, I'm lying. right? Because if I was to trade this, right, I'll be looking for this to come in. This would have been a losing trade for me, because I would have came in right here. No lie, this is how I would have came into the trade right here. That right there, is my entry for a buy, right? But what happened was, if you trading, you paying attention, okay? You trading and you paying attention, then you know that we had higher highs over here as well, right? And what happened was it got broke. Okay, here go your higher high right here. Here go your lower high right here. You got equal highs right here. That's a sell. Okay, that's definitely a sell. Here go your low. This is your retest to get into the market right here. Okay, this is your high. This is your low. Okay, this is your lower high. This is your entry to get in. Why did the market come over there? Because I'm gonna show you why. Now I'm gonna show you why. Okay, it gave you two chances to get into the market. Okay, because you had an imbalance zone, you had a fair value gap. Okay, got one right here. All right, so in between this little zone here, anywhere in this zone here, this is where I would have caught the trade for the sell. Simple, simple. Okay, simple. But however, that's not what I did. I bought. Okay, I bought. So what happened was, let me see if I can remember and see this thing clearly now, so I can show you how I got into this trade and what I bought. Okay. Okay, that's enough. So pretty much, let me show you how I got into this trade right here. Okay. So what happened was, this market, it dropped. Okay, it literally dropped. And what I noticed was, it wasn't on this time frame. I think I was on a 4 hour. Yep. Yep. I was on a 4 hour. Okay. There you go. And I think it was, I had seen something, because you see it right here. I just don't know what. I think it was a 4 hour. I don't remember. But it's not, it was more down. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm even getting the right one, because it was more down. But never the case, I noticed divergence, and divergence is when the market don't go in the same direction with the indicator. The indicator is going this way, the market, or the indicator is going this way, and the market is going this way. All right. So once that happened and it's not going parallel straight, then you having either a sell or you having a buy coming along. And so what happened was, once I saw this bullish candle here, right, I jumped on a lower time frame, Okay. Look. And I got right in. See this? That's the candle. That's the candle. Once I saw that this broke above this, I was already in the money. I was waiting for the retest. I seen this candle, and I believe it was that candle I got in or this candle I got in. One of the two. I got in on one of these bullish candles, and then I took it up. Okay, straight profits. I caught about 440 pips off of US 30. All right. So, oh, I wasn't even showing my screen. Wow, I wasn't even showing the screen, y'all. This is what I'm saying. Why y'all didn't text nothing in the chat? Yo, it's all good, man. That's crazy. Well, y'all don't need to see no more anyway. Ain't nobody coming here anyway, man. Like, I'm out of here. Feel me? I make money. I'm gonna continue making money. Those that want to hate, keep on hating. You feel me? I don't worry about nothing, man. I'm saying, nigga out here looking for his own family right now. I ain't tripping. Feel me? Boss up or continue to get bossed around, cause you know I'm bossed to live a good life, man. Already.